Adding a bathroom to a basement or any space far from your main drain line is one of the most common home improvement challenges homeowners face. A macerating toilet solves that problem by grinding waste and pumping it through a small pipe to your existing drain. No breaking concrete, no major plumbing work. In this video, we cover 5 of the best macerating toilets currently available, so you can choose the right one for your space and budget. 1. Saniflo SaniPLUS. The Saniflo SaniPLUS is the most consistently recommended macerating toilet on the market, and for good reason. It comes as a complete 2-piece kit, bowl, tank, and macerating pump unit included, so everything you need arrives together. The pump motor runs at 3,600 revolutions per minute inside a sealed, oil-filled housing. That design protects the motor from moisture and wear over years of daily use. It can pump waste up to 15 feet below the main sewer line or up to 150 feet horizontally through a standard 3/4 inch pipe, giving you significant flexibility in where the bathroom is positioned in your home. Operating noise sits at 53 decibels or below, roughly the volume of a normal conversation, which is quieter than many competing macerating units. The system is certified by CSA and IAPMO, meaning it meets recognized plumbing and safety standards in North America. Saniflo has been selling macerating systems in the United States for over 30 years. Parts are widely available, and licensed plumbers across the country are familiar with the brand, which matters when you need servicing down the line. Register the unit after purchase, and the warranty extends to 4 years. This is the right choice if you want a proven, well-supported system with a long track record. 2. Saniflo SaniACCESS. 3. The SaniACCESS 3 is Saniflo's upgraded macerating system, designed for homeowners who want easier long-term maintenance alongside the same core performance as the SaniPLUS. The key difference is the dual access panel design. The pump unit has 2 separate service doors, one for the electrical components and level sensor, and one for the macerating blade area. A plumber or technician can service either section without disconnecting the pump from the wall or disturbing the plumbing connections. For a system you plan to use for 10 or 15 years, that matters. Like the SaniPLUS, the SaniACCESS 3 handles both black water from the toilet and gray water from connected fixtures such as a sink or shower. It pumps up to 15 feet below the sewer line or 150 feet horizontally, and the system carries CSA and IAPMO certification. The bowl is elongated, seat height meets comfort height standards, and the overall kit includes everything needed for installation. This system is suited for homeowners building a full basement bathroom, toilet, sink, and shower, who want a premium setup with minimal maintenance disruption over time. 3. Liberty Pump's ASCENT 2. The Liberty Pump's ASCENT 2 stands apart from the Saniflo options because of one practical feature that the others don't include: a built-in overflow alarm. The system uses solid-state IST switching rather than mechanical float switches, which improves reliability over time by eliminating moving parts inside the pump housing. If the pump detects a problem, a blockage, an unexpected water level rise, an audible alarm activates and LED indicator lights illuminate on the external touchpad. That early warning can prevent a significant mess in a finished basement. The pump uses Liberty's razor-cut blade technology, which handles waste maceration efficiently and can pump vertically up to 25 feet and horizontally up to 150 feet, slightly more vertical reach than the Saniflo units. The toilet itself is WaterSense certified at 1.28 gallons per flush, meaning it meets EPA water efficiency standards. The bowl height is ADA compliant, the tank is insulated to reduce condensation, and a slow close seat is included. But Liberty Pumps is a well-established American manufacturer with a strong reputation in the professional plumbing trade. The ASCENT 2 carries a 3-year warranty. This system is best suited for homeowners finishing a basement they plan to use regularly, who want the added protection of an alarm system built into the pump. 4. Simple Project 750 Watts Pro. The Simple Project 750 Watts PRO delivers strong performance at a noticeably lower price point than the Saniflo and Liberty Pumps options, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious homeowners who still want capable specs. The 750-watt motor pumps waste up to 36 feet vertically and up to 360 feet horizontally, figures that exceed the Saniflo SaniPLUS in both directions. That extended pumping range makes the system viable for longer runs through a home, which is useful in larger basement layouts or when the discharge point is far from the toilet location. The system includes 4 water inlets, allowing you to connect a toilet, sink, shower, and bathtub all through the same pump unit. The toilet offers dual flush, 1.26 gallons per flush for a full flush and 0.8 gallons for a half flush, which helps reduce water consumption over time. A built-in ventilation system with activated carbon filtration assists with odor control inside the pump housing. Installation can be done with the pump unit visible against the wall or recessed within the wall for a cleaner finish. The system is WaterSense certified, holds Amazon's Choice designation, and comes with 24-hour customer support access. This is the right pick for homeowners who want capable performance across a larger basement or longer pipe run without paying the premium price of the top 2 brands. 5. Simple Project, 600 watts, one piece. The Simple Project 600 watts is a one-piece macerating toilet. The bowl and pump housing are integrated into a single compact unit, making it the most space-efficient option on this list. The 600-watt motor handles vertical discharge up to 30 feet and horizontal discharge up to 295 feet through a standard 3/4-inch pipe. 3 water inlets allow connection of a sink or additional fixture alongside the toilet. Operating noise is rated at approximately 45 decibels, making it the quietest system in this group, similar to a quiet office environment. Thus, the one-piece design simplifies installation compared to separate bowl and pump configurations. The unit includes stainless steel macerating blades, a rear outlet bowl, and a soft close seat. The compact footprint works particularly well in small basement bathrooms or utility rooms where wall space is limited. The 2-year repair warranty is shorter than the premium brands, and Simple Project is a newer name in the category compared to Saniflo or Liberty pumps. However, for a secondary bathroom or a space that won't see heavy daily use, this system offers genuine functionality at a price that significantly undercuts the rest of the list. If your budget is the primary deciding factor and the space is smaller, this is a sensible starting point. You'll find the purchase link for this product in the description below.